Hey guys, I want to share with you my vintage 1980s era bug zapper. Had this thing for a long time. We kept it in storage for a number of years, and then we took it out, decided we'll put it out on our outdoor deck. We've had it out here for a while now, a good while. The bulb on the left, it's a little brighter. Actually was able to order a replacement bulb on Amazon. Took off the top part of the device here. I'm able to change that bulb out, but you can see that this is a full-blown heavy-duty bug zapper, and I don't know exactly how effective it is, honestly, against mosquitoes, but the moths swarm to it, and when you're out at night entertaining guests, it is rather entertaining to watch it. Every once in a while it'll really smoke a bug pretty good. So anyway, wanted to share that with you, and feel free to drop a comment on your own bug zappers if you have one like this. Again, I don't know whether or not they are proven to be super effective, but they are entertaining, and they do kill flying bugs, and everybody seems to like it whenever they come over, sit out with us. So that's my bug zapper. I'll put a link in the description to any similar bug zappers I can find from Amazon.